Welcome to this video on the Introduction to Programming, presented by Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School. Programming is the art of giving instructions to computers to create everything from games and apps to websites. Before we dive into the code, let's explore the history of some popular programming languages and meet the brilliant minds who created them. The history of programming began in the 1940s with assembly language. Over the following decades, foundational languages emerged: Fortran in 1957, COBOL in 1959, BASIC in 1964, and the influential C language in 1972. Today, our digital world is built upon a vast array of programming languages, each designed for specific purposes and environments. Moving into the 90s, we saw the birth of more versatile languages, Python in 1991, followed by both Java and JavaScript in 1995, which transformed the landscape of software development. This image illustrates the evolution of computer programming languages, showing how we have progressed from basic machine-level instructions to the sophisticated high-level languages we use today. To understand programming, we must first learn the essential terminology that developers use every day. First, we have abstraction. This is a powerful concept where we represent complex systems in a simplified way, allowing us to manage large projects more effectively. Next is an algorithm. An algorithm is simply a clear, step-by-step procedure designed to solve a specific problem. A Boolean expression is a fundamental statement in programming that evaluates to exactly one of two values, true or false. A bug refers to an error within a program that causes it to behave unexpectedly or fail to perform its intended task. A class acts as a blueprint. It provides the structure for creating objects, which is a core concept in object-oriented programming. Comments are notes written directly within your code. They help clarify what specific sections do and are completely ignored by the computer during execution. A compiler is a special program that translates the code you write in a high-level language into the machine code that a computer can actually execute. Finally, a condition is a statement that directs the flow of your program, deciding which path to take based on whether the statement is true or false. Next, let's talk about debugging. This is the essential process of finding and fixing any bugs or errors within your program to ensure it runs correctly. A flowchart is a visual diagram that represents the specific steps, sequences, and decisions involved in a process or algorithm, helping you plan your code. In programming, a function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a single, specific task whenever it is called upon. An integrated development environment, or IDE, is a comprehensive software suite that provides all the tools you need to write, test, and debug your code. Input refers to the data that is provided to a program, which the software then processes to produce a result. An instruction is the most basic building block of programming. It is a single, specific operation that the computer is told to perform. Iteration is a fundamental concept where a set of instructions is repeated multiple times to achieve the desired result. A loop is a specific programming structure that automates this iteration by repeating a block of code as long as a specified condition remains true. Notation provides a standardized system for writing down programming concepts and logical ideas, ensuring clarity for developers. Object code is the result produced by a compiler. It is the machine-readable version of your program that the computer can actually execute. Object-oriented languages are programming languages that organize software design around objects, which combine both data and the code that operates on it. Pseudocode is a simple, human-readable way of outlining algorithms using plain language, which helps programmers plan logic before writing actual code. A variable acts as a named storage location, allowing your program to hold, update, and retrieve data while it is running. Syntax refers to the formal set of rules that define how code must be written in a specific programming language to be valid. Finally, a syntax error occurs when your code violates these language rules, causing the computer to be unable to process or execute your instructions. Source code is simply the human-readable version of a program, written by the programmer in a language that they understand before it is processed by a computer. Lastly, we have runtime errors. These are issues that occur while the program is actually running, causing it to crash or behave unexpectedly despite having valid syntax.